We live in a network world, and much of the backbone of that wired and increasingly wireless data, voice, and video network is built on equipment produced by Cisco Systems. Cisco is more than 27 years old, founded in 1984 by Nick Bosa and Sandy Lerner. Cisco is one of the world's biggest technology corporations, currently employing more than 72,935 people as of January 29, 2011. Acquisitions have constituted 50% of the company, with 145 different companies acquired by Cisco as of February 2011. The company's top 3 acquisitions include Scientific Atlanta for $6.9 billion, Cerner for another $6.9 billion, and AeroPoint Communications for $5.7 billion. Many other companies recently acquired by Cisco include WebEx, Linksys, Extend Media, Jabber, and Audion. Stockholder performance. Cisco's New York Stock Exchange ticker symbol is CSCO. Cisco's stock prices have declined 35% in the past year. One reason for this decline is the potential market share loss due to competitors. Other reasons for this decline is the current economy, resulting in losing government and corporate customers with many budget cutbacks. Even with the decline in stock prices, Cisco is still by far the industry leader with a 19.4% net profit margin. Cisco also recently announced its first ever quarterly dividend to be paid on April 20th for 6 cents per share.